so you want to start a small business this year. Maybe you're tired of working for someone else. Or you've got an idea that just won't leave your head. Whatever the reason, you're here because you want to make it happen. But let's be real, starting a business isn't some overnight success story. It takes planning, effort, and a solid strategy. In this video, I'll break down the steps to start your small business from scratch, so you don't waste time on things that don't matter. And before we jump in, let me quickly introduce our sponsor, because if you're serious about building a business, this is something you'll definitely want to know about. Before you start putting your brand out there, you need a solid online presence. And it all starts with a domain name. The problem? .com domains are overcrowded. Finding one that's clean and professional often means making unnecessary compromises or settling for something less memorable. That's why more than 3.5 million businesses and brands worldwide are using .online, the world's second-largest new domain extension. Unlike .com, where most good names are already taken, .online gives you a much higher chance of securing the exact name you want without adding unnecessary words or characters. And because the word online is searched over 500 million times a month, it's also SEO friendly, making it easier for people to discover your business. From global superstars like Maluma to small businesses like Radiate Kombucha in Miami, .online works for any industry. You can get a .online domain from major platforms like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Squarespace, and Wix. But for a limited time, you can grab yours for just 99 cents using the exclusive code WEALTHYCENT through the link in the description. A strong domain name is the foundation of your brand, so secure yours before it's gone. All right, back to the video. The first step in starting your business is choosing the right idea. It sounds easy, but picking the right idea is crucial for long-term success. Some people already know what they want to do, while others are still figuring it out, and that's okay. The key is finding something that interests you and actually has demand. If nobody's looking for what you're offering, making money will be an uphill battle. To choose the right idea, you need to do some self-reflection and market research. Ask yourself, what are you passionate about? What skills or expertise do you have that could be turned into a business? What problems can you solve for others? What products or services are people already paying for? You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You just need to do something better or in a way that people actually want. For example, let's say you love baking. Instead of opening a general bakery, you could focus on niche markets like vegan or gluten-free treats, or you could sell customized cupcakes for birthdays and events. By offering unique designs and personalized experiences, you can tap into a market of customers who are willing to pay a premium for something special. The biggest mistake new entrepreneurs make is jumping straight in without making sure their idea is actually profitable. You don't want to spend months or even years building something that nobody wants. So here's how you validate your idea before you dive in. Businesses that solve real problems succeed. If people are already spending money to fix a problem, that's a great sign your idea might work. Use tools like Google Trends, keyword research tools, and competitor analysis to determine if people are actively searching for or buying similar products or services. Before spending a dime, get feedback. Ask people what they would be willing to pay for a solution like yours. You can even offer a basic version of your product or service as a test to gauge interest. For example, let's take a look at Glossier, a beauty brand that made a name for itself by validating its idea before going all in. Rather than launching a full product line right away, Glossier started with a few key products, like their famous Balm.com, selling them directly to their audience through social media. They used customer feedback to refine and expand their offerings, ensuring there was actual demand before scaling up. This approach helped them focus on creating products people genuinely needed and wanted, not just something that looked good on paper. Once you're sure your idea has potential, it's time to choose a business model. The right business model will determine how you make money, how you scale, and how you operate. Some of the most common and profitable business models include offering services like freelancing, consulting, coaching, or even virtual assistants. Selling physical or digital products. Membership sites, software as a service, or newsletters that provide ongoing value for a recurring fee. Think about what makes the most sense for your skills and resources. For example, if you're an expert in social media marketing, you could start as a freelance consultant. Over time, you might develop an online course or a paid membership group to scale your income without always trading time for money. Choosing the right model is critical to how your business will run, so make sure it aligns with your long-term goals. Your business name, logo, and online presence matter more than you might think. If your branding is weak or unclear, customers will have a hard time trusting you. To build a brand that resonates, you need to make it simple, memorable, and reflective of your business. And before you finalize any details, make sure your domain name and social media handles are available. Speaking of online presence, your domain name, a professional email address, and a website are non-negotiable. Even if you're not selling online, having a website makes you look professional and legitimate. Platforms like Shopify, WordPress, or Squarespace make it easy to set up your site, even if you don't have a tech background. Branding also involves how you communicate with customers. Your visual identity, logo, colors, and design should remain consistent across all platforms. Consistency builds trust and recognition, which are key to growing your business. Take Coca-Cola, for example. They've mastered branding by focusing on happiness and connection. Coca-Cola isn't just a drink. It's a symbol of joy, nostalgia, and shared moments, which is why it has such a powerful emotional connection with consumers worldwide. A business isn't just about making money, it needs structure. Without the right foundation, you could face unnecessary challenges down the road. Here's a checklist of what you need to do. Register your business. Depending on what fits your needs, this could be a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. Get any required permits or licenses. Open a business bank account. Keep your personal and business finances separate. It'll save you a headache later. Set up accounting and bookkeeping. Use accounting software or at least a simple spreadsheet to track your finances. Many new entrepreneurs skip this step and regret it later. Keeping things organized from the start makes scaling easier and prevents legal and financial issues down the road. Without customers, your business doesn't exist. You can have the best product or service in the world, but if nobody knows about it, it's not going to matter. So, how do you get your first customers? Tell your friends, family, and professional connections about your business. Word of mouth is still one of the most powerful marketing tools. Showcase your work, engage with your audience, and build a following. Discounts or limited time deals can attract customers. Collaborate with influencers or businesses in your niche to expand your reach. For instance, if you're starting a handmade jewelry business, you can create Instagram posts showcasing your pieces and offer a discount to the first 20 customers. Early customer reviews and word of mouth will help build credibility. Once your business has proven its viability, it's time to scale. But don't rush it. Scaling too quickly can break your business. Use tools to handle repetitive tasks and hire employees or contractors when necessary. Expand your marketing efforts by running ads, creating content, or leveraging SEO to reach more customers. Based on customer feedback, continuously improve your products and services. Cut unnecessary expenses and reinvest your profits strategically. Scaling isn't just about making more money, it's about growing in a sustainable way. If you try to grow too fast without the right systems in place, you might run into trouble. Take it step by step. Starting a business isn't about finding a perfect idea or waiting for the right moment. It's about taking action, learning, and adapting along the way. No one has it all figured out from the start, and that's okay. The key is to start. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments what business you're planning to start. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.